What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I'm at my parents' house, RBS 13, the J30 V6 Accord daily VIPXB. So today what I'm going to do is actually just kind of want to do this for fun. I got it free from Temu. When you buy certain items, you get a free item. And this is actually the free item. So it's like anime style. I don't know if this is actually a character, but I thought it'd be kind of cool just throw on the XP for looks. Worst case scenario, we can always take it off. So to install this or to put it on, watch the video, which I'll show here. And as you can see, they use a water bottle. They spray the mat, spray the side of the car, place it on, and I got some new razor blades, stuff for wrapping because we'll be doing the wrap on my son's XP. So I got all the parts for it, or the tools for basic starters, and we'll be using that to actually place this on. So what I'm thinking this is actually a kind of like a wallpaper. Get it wet, throw it on. Now, I know if this is going to last during this weather because it is gloomy, it's raining, it's I daily the XB, and this is actually stays here and for my mom and dad to daily, but my dad can't drive anymore because of his situation, which you guys all already know. So this one I'll be taking care of. Might play with this one as well and daily this one as well, just to keep it fluids going. I do need to do a radiator, oil change, and all the basic stuff to this one still, so I gotta make a video. I took Monday off. Gonna be coming here to take care of the hospice, get the hospital bed, and I'll bring the ramps and stuff for to do the work on the car if I have time. But yeah, so let's go ahead and put this on. Um, Hopefully the microphone's working. Just got these from Temu for free, so hopefully it sounds good, and we'll keep it rolling. So let's put this on. All right, so first thing, we're gonna spray it, kind of clean off the dirt, and I gotta peel the. I don't even bring it. Let me go grab it. All right, so because of this, I can't lift it in double-sided tape, so I'm gonna kind of guess where I want it and what excess I'm gonna just leave. So I'm gonna have to trim some of this off, but if you guys have an idea what it's gonna look like, it'll be kind of like that. So you guys have an idea. So yeah. But yeah, let me try to peel this off. It was struggling. Gotta see how the stuff comes off. So it's not even sticky really, but oh no, it does have some stick to it. So we'll peel all this off. Okay, come on. So okay, pick it up later. So she put water on the back in the video. Oh damn, that shit is sticky. Okay, put water there too. God damn, that is so sticky. So I'm guessing I'm gonna be doing that. Okay, that's one time try. Let's go. So this is the tool I'm gonna use. Blend it out. Get any bubbles. Try to make it flush. That there. I like this. It has like that padding, and it comes with extra, so I can not, be too rough and rip the wrap. So that's actually pretty nice. Put that there. I figured look good on a black VIP car. Do I know what I'm doing? Yeah, no. Just get all the bubbles out. Trying to see where the bubbles are at. And then I'll go after it once I cut it. So we'll cut the bleed. Let's get up higher. So what do they do in the video? So they cut here in the middle. Oh, this blade is sharp. Hell yeah. So they, where is the, try to fuck up. So this is the gap. Yeah, let's go. We'll send. And then for the bottom part, is it just cut lightly without damaging the rubber, I guess. So that's that. Go all the way down to the door. So we'll open the door. Oh, I gotta get the keys. Right, so I cracked the door open. I guess I'll either tucking this. Let me clean it up, and then we'll figure this out. So I'm just going real easy and not kind of damage it. Take this top trim off. I can kind of hide the rest. So I don't block the camera too much. That off. Just gotta find how far on this. I know the glass is back here, so it looks so easy on the camera or that little video I posted. Yes, I just want to clean this up. Kinda wish I had my hat rather than growing my hair out. And this blade is nice and sharp. I'm loving it. Then we're gonna just I cut it straight down the middle, right here on this. I should do a time lapse. I got all the tools to do all the tucking, so if I got to do that, I'll tuck this all in. Yeah, let me clean it all up so this video doesn't become long, and then I'll show you guys the final after, before and after. I mean, right, so it's coming out pretty good. Got these tools. Just kind of tuck everything and get the piece of fall in there. Let's get the bubbles out too. So I got to cut a little bit here, but this is what this is going to look like. Kind of not a little happy with this, but how are they gonna know? So trim this. All right, so that's one. That's how that looks, and I'm actually like it. First little anime thing I ever done to a car. I'm totally okay with it. I like it. All right, so one more to go, and there we go. Not too bad. Actually, dig it. Oop, there you go. So that's what it looks like. Give the XB's dirty from the rain. Don't. But yeah, so at least it'll give somewhat some style when driving. So I saw it. I was like, I had to get it for free. Why not? Gives it some style. If anything, I can peel it off. So I'm very happy with it. So one more side to go, but pretty much the same thing. So there we go, guys. Hope you guys liked the little video. And yeah, we're good. Watch out. Not bad. Just gotta get a little bit of the bubbles out again. Double check. But I'm happy with it. Gives it some style. Right, y'all. I'll see you guys. See you guys in the next one. And yep, I like it. All right.
Hi, you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.
Yeah.